Connecting an Apple CarPlay-compatible iPhone to the display audio lets you enjoy many of the iPhone's functions through the display audio touchscreen without having to touch the iPhone. First, make sure your compatible iPhone has the latest software update. Plus, it's critical that the cable you use is a genuine Apple cable and that it's not worn or damaged. If ever you have problems connecting, have unexpected disconnects, or receive device not found or device not compatible messages, it's most likely due to an off-brand or damaged cable. Using a proper cable, plug the USB connector into the USB smartphone audio interface just ahead of the beverage holders. It's the one with the little phone icon. After connecting the iPhone, turn the ignition on and go to the display audio home screen. When you first use Apple CarPlay, a consent screen will appear before enabling CarPlay. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, touch Enable. An Apple CarPlay icon will now appear. Touch the icon to display the CarPlay home screen with apps that can be used with the system. To return to the display audio home screen, touch the Honda icon. The easiest way to use the apps on your iPhone is through Siri, Apple's voice recognition feature. To engage Siri, press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel until the system responds. Siri will now remain engaged until you press the talk button again. You can now ask Siri to read your messages and respond to them by voice. You can use Apple Maps to get directions. Note that models with the Honda satellite-linked navigation system can only use one system at a time. You can also ask Siri to place phone calls, play songs, describe the weather forecast, and even what movies are playing nearby. If you'd like to delete phones from the Apple CarPlay history, here's the process. From the display audio home screen, touch Settings, then Connections. Select Apple CarPlay. From the list that appears, select the phone you want to remove. Then touch Delete, and touch Delete again to confirm.